seven continents. What is the biggest continent?
Asia,
The smallest continent?
Australia,
Okay, Eden. How many flags in the world?
195,
What? There are 195 flags. Okay, Eden. What flag is this?
Guadeloupe,
This is, what's it? Okay?
Guadeloupe,
Okay. Tama siya. Tama ba siya? How about this one, Aiden?
Micronesia,
Very good. How about this one, Aiden?
Israel,
Very good. How about this one, Aiden?
Mexico,
Very good. How about this one, Aiden?
USA,
How about this one, Aiden?
China,
And this one, Aiden?
Canada,
Very good. How about this one, Aiden?
South Korea,
Very good. How about this one, Aiden?
Haiti,
And this one, Aiden?
Jamaica,
This one again, Aiden.
Sri Lanka,
Very good. This one, Aiden?
Thailand,
Wow. This one, Aiden?
Wales,
Okay. This one, Aiden?
Kuwait,
Very good again. This one, Aiden?
French Guyana,
Okay. This one, Aiden?
North Falkland Island,
Very good. This one, Aiden?
Cuba,
Very good. This one, Aiden?
Uzbekistan,
Okay, very good. This one, Aiden?
New Zealand,
Very good. This one, Aiden?
Japan,
Very good. This one, Aiden?
Iraq,
Okay, galing. This one, Aiden?
Vatican City,
Very good. This one, Aiden?
Laos,
Very good. And then this one, Aiden?
Vietnam,